Hi everybody, Happy New Year 2024. I'm back on YouTube. It has been a while because I was so busy before the holidays with the holidays and above all also with work and with my clients. So YouTube was not a priority because I cannot do it all. And what's this video about today? It's actually a very basic video. It's just the message is we just can't do it all at once, and that's okay. And I just wanted to give you a metaphor that I heard from a very close friend, and it's the metaphor of the balls that we're juggling. And some balls that we juggle, they're made out of glass. And that's, for example, our health, our relationships, and other very important things. And you cannot drop these balls. Don't drop them. But then some other balls are made from rubber. So when they fall down, when I'm juggling, they're just bouncing and like rolling around here in my room, and that's okay. And for me, with the YouTube channel, my ideal Katie would want to like have a video every week and have so many videos because I don't have a lack of ideas. I have so many ideas, so many notes on my computer and so many post-its. But the reality is a little bit different because my health, my relationships, just my clients, everything, everybody in my life that I have a responsibility for, that's a glass ball. And YouTube it's not a hobby. It's more than a hobby because, of course, it's part of my business. But it's okay if I take a little break and then come back. So I thank you for bearing with me. I thank you that you're still here watching my YouTube videos, and I'm looking forward to seeing you in the next video. But I just wanted to say a little hi and just give you the idea of think about what balls are okay to be dropped, the rubber balls, and which are the glass balls of your life that you don't want to drop because they're too breakable and too important. Have a wonderful day, and I see you soon. Bye.